In this video, I will show you how to create a free website by using Canva. So first of all, we'll go on Canva and go to this website and search on the search bar website. Canva template will be open here, and choose any template as you wish. Just I'm gonna use anyone. I press and customize this template. And if you're interested, change this name, so you can change it. Like tap on it and type your name here. If you want to make it smaller, just scroll down a little bit, or you can increase this, something like that. You can do. Or if you're interested to write something about yourself a little bit, so you can write as you wish. Or if you're interested to change any picture, just simply go to on the elements. Here you can upload any picture as you wish. Some photos from CL, or you can just, if you're interested to upload educational or even related something, just simply type on education. You will get some pictures that is related to education, and drop down a little bit, just a little bit. You can change it, still it. Like this, you can change any image as you wish. Or if you're interested, change this color, tap on color, then select this color and change any color as you wish. Or if you're interested in this picture, just you can write down about yourself, just what do you do and what is your website about. You can write down here, and just if you're interested in this picture, tap on this picture, press on delete icon, then delete image, and select any picture as you wish. And if you're interested to upload something from your computer, so press on upload and press on upload image or video. Just press on it and select any photo as you wish. Just I'm going to upload from here, so just going to search for photo. Just I'm going to upload a photo. Like that. So if you're interested, write something about your college, about your life history, just you can write here by clicking on this. If you're interested to change anything, just you can delete here if you wish. Here, if you wish, you can change this email address. Just simply tap on it. Just change anything as you wish. Like you can change your phone number as you wish. You also can change your email address as well. If you are interested to change this color, tap on color, change this color. Or if you're interested to add another page, so simply press on add page and just add something as you wish. Take a picture and write something, and then take a subtitle. Just for showing that I'm just writing something to leave a picture. If you want, you can change this color as well. Tap on it and press on A. Just simply make it white. According to your wish, you can change this color. Or if you're interested to delete any page, just simply press on it and press it. Just you have to press on delete icon. That's all. And if we want to see the how our website looks like, just simply press on preview. This is our website looks like. After that, press on close, and we're gonna publish this website. So simply press on publish website, tap on a URL like that, then you can write down about your website. Please press on advanced option, or if you're interested, so you can secure your website by password, and you also can visible this website in a search engine. You have to enable this. By default it will be enabled. Just simply press on publish website. Just copy this. Please just paste it anywhere, and you will be able to see your website.